There's some real issues with this building. So let's take a look. So they had a guy doing the drywall and then he fell off the earth. This roof was looking fishy when we first came. Y'all can see this boy is sagging down a lot. You can see there it's bowing. So it go downhill and right back uphill. So right here, it's like pushing in. And you got water leaking from the old AC unit that's up there, heating the AC unit. So you see that's dropping down. You got some buckets holding that. But it seemed like in a heavy rain, you got another leak over here on this floor. Got a couple wet spots. This little salt right here. It's damaged the plywood floor. You already see we got water stains right here from the previous leak, but like this wood warped now, so all this gonna have to get replaced again. But this looks terrible. That boy been leaking for a long time. I'm guessing they taking their time with coming to fixing it. That sheet that need to be pulled off. Need to sister these beams right here, straighten them joints back up, and then throw your new wood down. Even if you do all the rest of this other work, it's like, when are they gonna come out and fix this? And another thing too, this back wall be getting wet too. This water stains, you can see one here. And we come over here, got another wet spot right there. I don't know, maybe something leaking right here. It's not raining right now, so I can't tell if that's old or new, but it look new. And then you come back here by the back door. Look, this is wet. The bathroom here, you can see those dark spots in between those tiles. That's water coming from somewhere. Over here, see, just water stains all on the floor. So this back wall right here, definitely getting wet. That's actually something that I peeked out when I first came over here too, because the plaster was falling off and it was wet. So this back wall period, even going to this bathroom, it's like, why even do the work if all this got to get fixed first? Outside, it's kind of weird how they even got it. So definitely some waterproofing need to go on. Look, we got a few water stains over here, but the furnace went out and I came to check that out. It was just like one part for a deucer motor that was seized up, so that needed to be replaced. But I don't know, I think in their lease they were supposed to fix it, or it's on the renters to fix it. Definitely read that lease before y'all sign the lease. Make sure y'all read it and go through it and see what you're gonna be paying for, see what you gotta pay for. When it comes to commercials, a little weird, because this can be something like a triple net property where if anything go wrong with it, you got to fix it. And when you're dealing with commercial, you will have leases like that where it say, all right, you go ahead, fix it up, everything on you. We just gonna worry about the roof and the walls around it. This might be one of those cases like that, but they need to fix the roof and they got a water leaking problem in the back there. So honestly, I would probably tell them just give them my money back and hit me up once y'all fix it. I mean, at this point, it's like, why even do the rest of the work if you're gonna have water leaking in on it? And then what if you do all the work and they still don't come out and fix this stuff? Could have tossed the money into another building. Get them a call, let them know what I found, and we can go from there.
Woo, okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.